Transformer Dashboard. Getting started. Transformer Dashboard simplifies transformer reliability. It translates technical data into easy-to-understand insights. This web-based tool gives you secure access to your data anywhere, anytime, allowing you to quickly understand the condition of your equipment so you can act on the information. It all starts with the home page. The My Results section shows you every piece of equipment at your facility or in your fleet, along with a summary of the most recent chemical, mechanical, and electrical data. Color-coded icons make it easy to spot test results that need your immediate attention, such as unacceptable or questionable. Next to the breakdown of the test results are summary recommendations for each piece of equipment. Click Requests in the Action column for a consultation with one of our transformer specialists on how to properly resolve the issue, or if you have questions. Immediate action items are shown at the top of the list, or you can sort this information however you wish. Ready to talk? Use the live chat icon on the bottom right-hand corner for immediate assistance. Select the Contact Us form in the banner to get in touch, or find the Help section in the account settings. Transformer Dashboard helps you maintain a reliable electric system by empowering you with the information and insight you need to make smart decisions as quickly as possible.